Good morning kids, welcome to the computer lecture. Students, today we will start with our lesson number 2, which is computer virus and general maintenance. So let me give you some introduction about virus. What are the computer viruses? Computer viruses are small computer programs that hide themselves on the disk, both in the diskettes and the hard disk. Computer viruses are designed to spread from one computer to another and to interfere with computer operation. And one more definition is there. A computer virus is a computer program that enters the computer system by attaching itself to another computer program and spreads itself across the system. Computer virus is a computer program which is being designed by a software engineer. They design the programs and the viruses are being attached to the computer programs which we people design. For example, in the if we are doing a MS Word file or the Excel spreadsheet or any kind of presentation, so the computer viruses will attach themselves to the computer programs and spread from one computer to another computer in different ways. Means if you are sharing the pen drive or if you are sending the emails from one computer to another computer through internet, in this way the computer viruses can spread from one computer to another computer. Next, what does computer virus do? The computer viruses can infect executable program files such as word processors, spreadsheets and operating system files. Kids, as I have already told you, the computer virus generally will destroy or generally it will infect to the executable program files such as word processor, means whatever that we are designing the document in the MS Word. Spreadsheets means whatever the worksheet that we are designing in the MS Excel. And the operating system programs, means operating system is the program which is much more essential for a computer system to run. So the computer virus will infect all these executable program files. It can infect a file before it is attached to an email message or transferred to a disk and thus spread from one computer to another. If we are sending any kind of email from one computer where the virus is already infected the program files, so the email which we are sending to another computer, the virus itself will attach to the program file and it will be transferred from one computer to another computer. And another mode, if we are sharing the pen drive, if you have designed any presentation and if you want to share the same presentation with your friend, so if what you will do, you will design the presentation in your computer where the virus is already infected your program files. So with the presentation file, the virus will automatically attach itself to the presentation that you have designed, and when you are sharing the pen drive with your friend, when your friend will take that pen drive and insert in his computer or laptop and open the presentation, automatically the virus will infect the new computer system or the laptop. So in this way the computer will be transferred from one device to another device. And next, what computer viruses don't do? Generally computer viruses cannot infect any write protected disk. See kids, the CD or compact disk is of two types, which is read only disk where we cannot change, where we cannot make any changes, so that is the write protected disk. But where we can make the changes in the disk, that is not the write protected, means the virus can infect the changeable disk, but the virus will not infect the files if the file is in the write protected disk. And once again, it cannot infect the computer hardware. If your computer is infected by the computer virus, it will only infect, or it will only destroy your program files. It will not make any changes, or it will not make any infection to your computer Hardware parts means the keyboard, mouse, monitor, whatever the hardwares which are being attached to your computer system, those will not be infected. Next, indications of a virus infected computer. So how you will come to know that your computer is being infected by the virus? Some indications are your computer will run slow and your computer will not respond. It will freeze in between working. Your computer crash or restart every few minutes, and your computer will restart automatically, and normally it will fail to run normally. So applications on your computer do not work properly. So these are the indications which you will by which you will come to know that your computer system or the laptop or the device is being infected by the virus. Next, how do viruses spread? We have already discussed the thing. The viruses generally spread from one computer to another computer system through the emails and the pen drives. So our part 1 video is over. In the next video we will learn the general maintenance, means how to maintain your computer system. Thank you. Good morning kids, welcome to the computer lecture. Kids, in the previous videos we have already started with our lesson number 2, which is computer virus and general maintenance. In this lesson we have already learned what is computer virus and what are the general maintenance or the tips that you need to maintain in a daily, weekly or in a monthly basis to make your computer safe from the computer virus. So in this video we will cover all the exercise of lesson number 2, which is computer virus and general maintenance. Here we will discuss each and every question and answers, including fill-ups and brief question and answers. In a brief way we will discuss each and everything. So let us continue with the same thing. Lesson number 2, computer viruses and general maintenance. First one, fill in the blanks. Question number A, it is not enough to just install the antivirus program and update it regularly. You have to run them periodically to scan the hard disk for viruses. And the answer will be antivirus. What do you mean by antivirus? Kids, we have already discussed what is virus. Virus is a computer program which is being transmitted from one disk to another disk, one computer system to another program, making lots of interrupt in a computer operations. So antivirus softwares are a special kind of software which are used to detect and eliminate the viruses from the computer system. So the antivirus is needed to be every time it is needed to be periodically scanned or updated regularly to make your computer system safe from the computer virus. Then the second one, B1. With the increasing use of the dash, it has become easier for the virus to spread. And the answer will be pen drive. Kids, nowadays we are widely using the pen drive or the flash drive to transfer the data from one device to another device, which becomes very much easier for the virus to spread from one system to another system. Next, third one, computer dash are designed to spread from one computer to another computer system, and the answer will be viruses. Computer viruses are the special programs or the small computer programs that hide themselves in the disk, and when we are using the pen drive or when we are emailing, when we send any kind of email or message from one infected computer to another computer, the virus will be spread from one computer system to another computer system. Fourth one, viruses are small computer programs that hide themselves on the disk. Here actually I forgot to underline the thing, and the answer is The D1 answer will be viruses. Just underline the viruses. The fill up will be viruses. Viruses are small computer programs that hide themselves on the disk. Means when the computer system is having the computer virus, the virus itself hide itself in a computer hard disk, and when we are using the pen drive or the flash drive to transfer the data, at that time it will be copied from one computer system to another computer system. In another way, when we email or send many kind of messages to another computer system, the virus will attach itself to the files, and when the files are being sent to another computer system, when the new computer system user opens the file, the virus will be automatically auto downloaded in the computer system, and it will infect the new computer system. So in this way, the computer viruses are spread from one device to another device to affect the computer operation or interrupt the computer operations. So the next one will be answer the following. First one, what are the indications of computer infected virus? The answer will be some indicators that our computer may have been infected with a virus include. Means when the how we will find out that your computer system is being infected by the virus. So some indications that will be notified in your computer system to indicate that your system is being infected by the computer virus. Kids, the next we will continue in the next video. Welcome back, kids. So this is the part 2 video. We will continue with the same topic, lesson number 2, computer virus and general maintenance. In the previous video, in the part 1 video, we have already discussed about what is computer virus and how the computer virus infect our PC, and how to prevent the damage and the indications of virus infected computer. So all these things we have already learned in the previous video. In this video, we will learn how to prevent our computer to be infected from the computer virus. So scheduled computer maintenance. First one, how to protect your computer against viruses. First of all, install a good antivirus software on your computer. Update the antivirus software regularly, and if you download a zip file, expand it and delete the original file once you have done. Means what happens? Generally some files are being transferred from one system to another system in a zip mode. So first, so when you are getting any zip file, what you have to do, you have to expand the file, and once you have done, once you have expanded the file, delete the original file to protect your computer from the viruses. And next one, avoid downloading programs from unknown sites. If you are not aware of the site, if you don't know what if you don't have any authorization to enter any of the site to download the things, so do not enter to any site to download unnecessary things without the permission of your parents, or if you are using the computer system in the computer lab without the permission of the computer teacher, you should not download any of the programs from the unknown sites. Then always scan your CDs, flash drive before using them. If you are using any new CD or any flash drive or the pen drive from your friend, or if you are purchasing the things from the market, first of all what you have to do, you need to scan the devices, storage devices properly before using them. And the last one is, do not use pirated softwares. You should not use the pirated softwares. Always use any licensed copy to make your computer system safe from the viruses. And next one is, keep all your working files in one folder The My Documents folder is offered by the Windows expressly for this purpose. The benefits of keeping all your files in one place are multiple. One, you know where all your files are. Two, it is easy to get them back at once. And three, your machine will be running very faster than in general. And uninstall the programs that you are not using regularly. And the last one is always try to use the safe softwares or download the softwares from the authorized site so to make your computer free from the virus. Computer maintenance tips. Generally 3 types of tips are there that you should always follow to make your computer system safe from the virus. So first of all, daily computer maintenance and weekly computer maintenance, then after monthly in a computer maintenance. So what is in the daily basis? You should update your antivirus, scan the antivirus to make your computer system free from the viruses. Then after, make your computer system clean from any of the temporary files. If your temporary internet files and other junk files, about once in a month you should clear all those things to make your computer system safe from viruses. Clean out your email, paying special attention to your inbox and sent box. The easiest way is to sort your email box by size of the message and delete the largest unneeded emails first. So in this way you can maintain your computer system to be safe from your device, free from the computer viruses. So we will end our video here. Thank you. Kids, in a previous video we were discussing the exercise of lesson number 2, which is computer virus and general computer maintenance, and this one will be the part 2 video. Yes, what are the indications of computer if it is being infected by the virus? Some indicators that our computer may have been infected, it will be shown if it is being infected by the computer virus. First one, our computer runs slower than usual, means the processing speed or the processing of a computer system will be decreased, so that it will run slow as in the usual way than the usual way. And the second one will be our computer stops responding or freezes often. Sometimes what happens, your computer system will be halted or it will not respond any kind of instructions. So this will happen if the computer is infected by the virus. Our computer crashes and restarts every few minutes. Every time after a regular interview or the irregular interview, the computer will restart itself. Our computer restarts on its own and then fails to run normally. Sometimes it will restart itself and it cannot run normally. So all these things will happen when the computer system will be infected by the virus. And the fifth one will be applications on your computer do not work properly. So sometimes what happens, if you open any of the applications in your computer system, the applications will not run properly, it will not work properly. Every time in a regular or a irregular time period, the computer system will restart itself by its own and it will fail to run normally. So all these things are the indications of a virus infected computer system. Second one, B1. What is an antivirus software? Antivirus software is a special computer program that can detect and eliminate viruses. So, virus is a computer program which is being designed to spread from one computer system to another computer system to interrupt the computer operations. In another way, the antivirus software is a special program which is installed in a computer system to detect and eliminate the computer viruses. Third one, what is a computer virus. Again, computer viruses are the small computer programs that are being designed to spread from one computer system to another computer system to interrupt or interfere with computer operations. So viruses are the small programs that hide themselves on the disk of a computer system when we are using the pen drive in an infected computer system. So whatever the information that we are transmitting from one device to another device, the virus will attach itself in a programs, and it will be spread from one computer system to another computer system. So the indications of a virus infected computer we have already covered in a question number 1. So all these symptoms will be shown in your computer system if your computer will be infected by the computer virus. So the antivirus is a special program which will be used to make your computer system free from the virus every time. Next one, last one. Write the tips for daily computer maintenance. So some tips that we have to maintain in a daily, weekly or a monthly basis to keep your computer system free from the virus. Update your antivirus, scan and antivirus definitions if they are not done automatically. Means every time you need to update your antivirus, scan the anti-spyware definitions. So if they are not done automatically, means what happens now? What do you mean by spyware? Spyware means sometimes what happens, some hackers are there, they can steal the information of any of the organization without informing or without the notice of the user. So these are the this will be one kind of stealing process of the information from any of the organization. So this is the spyware. Anti-spyware and the antivirus softwares should be scanned in a regular basis if they are not done automatically. Backup the important files that you have changed today on some removable media like hard disk or flash drive. So means every time you need to make the backup of your files that you are using, to make your computer system safe. So these are the daily computer tips that you need to maintain to make your computer system free from the virus. So these are the question and answers that we have covered in the lesson number 2. So what you have to do, kids, you need to copy down all the question and answers in a computer notebook. So we will end our video here. Thank you.